and that just simply means ed. One of the things, family, is when you submit your application, you're waiting in anticipation. You're like, because you may get selected for a particular audit. I'm like, yeah, I know this material. I got this. I get my test results back and it says failed. Then eventually, if you know, with the mindset of being able to adjust and adapt and say, okay, that happened to me, but I needed more resources than that. So family, when I think about it and when I look back and I say, you know what, when I sat down on that December 27th, 2014, I was confident. And so what I did was I sat down, I took my time, took a deep breath, and I went in and ended up passing the CAPM. I was just like, man, I really wanted it so bad, family.